So the first thing I really want to say is that 3D printing is just a tool. If 3D printing is your business, good luck to you. 3D printing for us just diversifies some of the things that we can make. So we bought 3 bamboo 3D printers. Those are just tools. It's the same as a table saw. It's the same as a laser engraver. So we can make products in a different way with added features that may be 3D printed, added to a laser engraved product. So pretty much from here over is our primary focus, which is home decor, crafts, those normal things. We do craft fairs. We have laser engraved signs that we do, and how we incorporated 3D printing was we started making things like this pistachio bowl. Pistachio shells go on the top. We could do cute little characters like this Grinch. My wife really likes making desk organizers and containers. A lot of women like these for makeup organization, bathroom organization. She does a lot with bedside, like ring pillows, watch pillows that you can put your rings and watches in on your nightstand when you go to bed. And of course we do multi-layered signs. This is a 3-layer Christmas sign coming out of the Christmas season, so there's that. And then with 3D printing has allowed us to get into things like keychains, like Dog Mom, different colors. And we also carry that over to the promotional product side of the house, which I'll show you in a moment. Some of the other things that we can do, this is mine. That's why I wanted it in black, but we can do nameplates for teachers or, whatever that case is. So on the crafting side, it's really opened up doors to add additional products to what we already offer. Like I said, we already offer laser engraving, vinyl, we do coffee cups and vinyl signs, all the cutesy signs that you see at like, Hobby Lobby and whatever. Now, some of the promotional stuff, I own a dumpster business, and we used the Cricut to vinyl letter our dumpsters. So we can letter vehicles, we can letter dumpsters, we can do vinyl signs, laser engraving, we can do obviously laser engraved acrylic signs, wood signs, you name it. And another thing that we got into with the laser engraving and our business was doing leather patched hats. Now, leather patched hats during the crafting season brings us a ton of money when we go to these craft fairs, and I can do what's called a hat bar. So you pick out a patch, you pick out a hat, I press it on while you're waiting, and people love that. It's great. We're hoping to get an F1, an X-Tool F1 fiber laser soon, so that we can actually make patches on site, made to order, put it on the hat that you want, and make the whole thing custom. Right now we're just doing patches, custom patches on the hats. Another thing that we do for our promotional products, we have 2 big orders going out right now. One of them is we did 100 of these dumpsters. I hope this pyramid doesn't fall down. Did 100 of these dumpsters for a company that does home shows with their dumpster business. They want to be able to give these out, as well as put business cards in them. So they get 100 of those, and what we like to do when we ship out a big order like that is add some extra gifts to show them some of the other things that we're capable of doing. So we did some keychains, nice leather strapped wood keychains, as well as we did some little journals, and we laser engraved their company logo on the front. So that's what we did for them. And because we know that they like the home shows, this is good home show products. One thing that we've done for our business is dumpster shaped fridge magnets. So people like to have fridge magnets, pop it on the side. We didn't want just a business card, typical fridge magnet. So I designed one that looks like a dumpster. It sits out, about a little less than ½ inch, and it's got a good magnet on the back. We also do keychains. Same thing, same exact file, just a smaller size. We put a keychain loop on it. And then of course we've done coffee cups for our business also. So we started offering that to other businesses, and it has grown past my wildest dreams. This is insane how well this has grown as a promotional products company. So currently we're offering to our dumpster customers, we have these desk organizers shaped like a dumpster, card holders of course, candy dishes, and I'll get into the story on this in a minute, but one of our customers, we're giving him a coffee cup. And this is dishwasher safe. I've used this coffee cup every day for a year, and it gets washed every day in the dishwasher, and it does not fade. And then we also did some journals for him. This one has a map, slightly engraved of his area. And my wife and I were sitting down and we were like, okay, we're getting ready to ship out this guy's order. What else can we do? What else can we do with the 3D printer to give this guy some value in our products? So we're giving him this little gift. This is a 3D printed gift box. And in this gift box, if I can get it out of there, it's his logo as an earring for his wife. I hope you can see that. And then we also made him a keychain that has his logo on the front, all multicolored. So these are great promotional items, especially if you're doing a home show or just trying to get some of your branding out there. And this stuff is cheap to manufacture. I can get a good price for it. It's good profit margin, and it works great. Another thing we're working on is flashlights. So we have a lot of mechanic shops in the area. I'm going to do up some flashlights, get those pushed out, as well as more hats. We love to do hats. I wish I had a pile of them here to show you, but we make them custom to order, so we only have a few. So this guy that we're shipping this to is actually he's actually a YouTuber. He's an influencer in the dumpster rental business, and I've become friends with him, and we're trying to figure out an affiliate program where I could push back some of that business that he's given me. He can get a little bit of a kickback on that. I hate to say kickback, but so we're trying to figure that out, and we're offering new products all the time. It's not all 3D printed. It's not all laser engraved. It's not all leather patched hats. It's not all cutesy signs and stuff. It's a culmination of all of that on how we can help business owners promote their business. So picture if you're at a home show and you've got a candy dish. Okay, people love to give out little candies at home shows. Put it in something that's like a dumpster, or something like this with your company logo on it. That's huge. So that's really where my focus is right now, is on B2B, business to business, product marketing. Like I said, 3D printing is a tool. Plastic is just a material. So if you're making things out of leather or wood, I'm just adding plastic into it. It's just another material, another medium for us to experiment with. And that 3D printer, albeit a little expensive, for 3 of them with AMSs does turn out to be, it's just a tool. It's just an expensive tool to grow our product line and what we can offer our customers. And what we have coming up in our business is I've started noticing businesses around the area that sell maybe hats or keychains. Maybe they have pens that are, if it's a barbecue joint, maybe we can get them some laser engraved pens for their waitresses, or we can special design them some menu boards that are really rustic looking. And woodworking, laser engraving, and 3D printing all takes part in that. So that is our focus. That's how we are modeling our 3D printing business. It's not just 3D printing. It is how can 3D printing add to our current business and current product line. Hopefully you got something out of that. I had a lot of comments in my last video. It did really well, and people were wondering what kind of products we selling, how are we selling them, and why aren't we selling fidget dragons and stuff like that? It's because everybody does. And I have no qualms on that. They make money, great. I'm making money in my corner of the market also. And I figured I'd just let you guys know to look outside of the box, try and figure out a way to add 3D printing to your already current business model. And that is how we do it. So leave any questions down in the comments. Leave me some good ideas on promotional products that you've seen that maybe we can incorporate with a 3D printer, laser engraver, or woodworking, or vinyl, or whatever. Let me know what kind of promotional products you like to see in your business, or that you've seen around town that you really like. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Click subscribe and all that stuff, and we'll catch you next time. All right? Have a good night.